Ndeto ino ya Gutharara kwa mathomo kaunti-ini ya Trans Nzoia yubukite thiini wa kigomano kiria kirehete hamwe arutani anene ya mashukuru ngurani na ataaramu na anyiti itemi sekta-ini ino mwena wa Kitale. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa gikundi kia Uwezo Kenya kaunti-ini yo Jane Bagaya, no gicunji kia 20% kia arutwo kihotaga kuingira irathi-ini thikũ 5 harĩ kiumia. Bagaya niongereire ati gicunji kia 20% kia arutani gitithiaga guthomithia ta uria kiagiriire.
Report also showed that 67 children out of 100 children in class 3 cannot do class 2 work. It also showed that 4 out of 100 children in class 8 cannot do class 2 work.
Mwena-ini wake, murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ya kwandika arutani bururi-ini TSC kaunti-ini yo Ibrahim Adan niugite ndeto no njuru muno yumanite na ukia munene hari aikari.
Causalities of learner absenteeism, which I think we need to address now as a sector. One is our children engaging in border business, which is, I think, is becoming almost a gold mine.
Na irita njira imwe ya kugacirithia uruti wa wira mashukuru-ini, kamiti ya TSC ni raheire arutani anene nduthi cia kumahotithia gukinya mashukuru-ini tene gutigirira arutwo ni mathomithio uria kwagiriire. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Githomo Mbataru wa Mwangi.